Hello guys, and now I'm starting a new video again. Wait, to earn money very fast without a hassle, and it's pretty legit because it's a GCAD, a CoinSPH. You can download CoinSPH at the Play Store. May maraming ways, and it's free to sa Play Store and the Google Play Store. And the first thing you have to do is to sign up, and to get a free 50 pesos you have to type this referral code or this prom, because it has a promo 5UMYYV capital space. And then to be more convenient, ilagay niyo po ang yung mobile number and create your password. And pagkatapos nun, you just click create my wallet. I have a wallet, so I don't have to join anymore. And pagkatapos po nun, may mga promos na easy to get, and may mga free freebies naman po doon. And that's all on how to create your CoinSPH account.